When industry professionals and monitoring experts meet, real breakthroughs happen.
Welcome to the second annual Cutsforth InsightCM user group.
Second annual event, packed room, live stream to the community. 3 utilities shared what's actually working in their programs.
It quickly evolved into a full-time remote monitoring job where, TVA is trying to stand up a remote monitoring program.
TVA is now running wireless monitoring full-time across their regional fleet. LG&E's cooling tower pump mystery showed why in-person observation still matters.
Eyes and ears are still valuable tools.
534 mils of vibration. You could see it with the naked eye.
Good eye.
Cutsforth unveiled major platform updates and new hardware support. InsightCM 26.0 shipped with the iPad route kit everyone had been asking for.
We released a route-based kit for portable measurement. What we're adding support for in 26.1 is native integration with Altus protection system.
And version 26.1 will bring native Altus integration, cybersecure one-way data flow. The biggest reveal came at the end.
So what is Advisor DX? So we've got a wealth of experience here at Cutsforth, that diagnostic layer on top of your InsightCM data.
A platform that multiplies your team's expertise across every asset in your fleet. This is what you miss when you're not in the room. Real problems solved, innovations unveiled, connections made that matter.